Welcome back, stargazers, and welcome to our second episode of our series where we dive into intriguing and surprising facts about our cosmic neighborhood. In our previous episode, we explored mind-bending facts about our Sun, from its immense size to its mysterious atmosphere, so if you missed it, make sure to check it out. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest to the Sun. Get ready to be amazed by these mind-blowing facts about this incredible planet. Let's get started. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system, with a diameter of just about 4,880 kilometers or 3,032 miles. Despite being the closest planet to the Sun, it's not the hottest. That title belongs to Venus. But don't let that fool you. Mercury experiences some of the most extreme temperature shifts in the solar system. Speaking of temperatures, during the day, Mercury can heat up to a scorching 430 degrees Celsius or 800 degrees Fahrenheit. But at night, it can plummet to a freezing minus 180 degrees Celsius or minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, which is even lower than the lowest temperature recorded on Earth of minus 89 degrees Celsius in Antarctica. This is because Mercury has no atmosphere to retain the heat. Mercury has some of the longest days and shortest years in the solar system. One day on Mercury that's one full rotation takes about 59 Earth days, but it only takes 88 Earth days for Mercury to complete one orbit around the Sun. That means a full year on Mercury is only 1.5 Mercury days. Mercury is named after the Roman messenger god, known for his speed, which is fitting considering Mercury's rapid orbit around the Sun. You might be surprised to learn that despite Mercury's proximity to the Sun, it has water ice in permanently shadowed craters near its poles. These craters never see sunlight, allowing the ice to remain frozen. Mercury has an incredibly large iron core, making up about 85% of the planet's radius. This is because it probably used to be as large as Earth in the past, before losing much of its outer layers. This iron core contributes to its weak but significant magnetic field, which is about 1% as strong as Earth's. Mercury has no atmosphere, but instead has a very thin exosphere. The surface pressure on Mercury is 200 trillion times lower than Earth's. This exosphere is primarily composed of atoms blasted off the surface by solar wind. Like our Moon, Mercury's surface is heavily cratered because it virtually has no atmosphere to protect it. And it is geologically inactive, so craters aren't erased over time. One of the most notable features is the Caloris Basin, one of the largest impact basins in the solar system, stretching about 1,550 kilometers or 960 miles in diameter. Here's a mind-bending fact: due to Mercury's unique rotational and orbital patterns, an observer on Mercury would see the Sun rise, then briefly set, and rise again in a single day. The same thing happens in reverse at sunset. Talk about a double sunrise and sunset. Mercury has a minimal axial tilt of just 0.034 degrees, the smallest of any planet in the solar system. This means it has virtually no seasons. Mercury's orbit is the most elliptical of all planets in the solar system, while all planets exhibit orbital precession, which is a gradual shift of the orbit over time. The rate of Mercury's is surprisingly higher. This phenomenon was one of the key pieces of evidence that supported Einstein's theory of general relativity. And there you have it, stargazers. Mercury is a small planet with big surprises. From its extreme temperature shifts to its incredible orbital patterns, it is truly one of the most fascinating planets in our solar system. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating content. Until next time, keep looking up at the wonders above, stargazers.